Hi, hello.
It's me, Adnan. Can I know your name, please?
Yes, my name is Rafsaniana South, and where are you from?
Yeah, actually, I'm from Cox's Bazar, but now I'm staying at Sector 10, room
Yeah.
number 21. And about you?
I'm from Gajipur, and my home district is Gajipur. Now I live at Tongi, and where are you from?
Yeah, actually, I'm from CC department of
Yes,
IBT,
yes.
and obviously in section D. And what's your?
I'm also Department of Computer Science and Section D. So that's cool. You and me will be same section.
Yeah,
That's cool.
it's really quite familiar.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, it's about your academic qualification.
Well, I'm my SSC examination passed in Shirajuddin Sarkar Vidyaniketan and College and ACSC from Milestone School and College, and now I am in IOVT in Computer Department. And you?
Yeah, actually, I have passed my SSC from Raikosar Bazaar Academy, and I have passed my HSC examination from Dhaka City College,
Yes.
and now I am admitted to IIT actually. Uh,
Yes.
as we are quite familiar, I think we could be friends.
Yes.
Okay,
So
nice to meet
nice to
you,
meet
and
you.
see you later.
See you later.
And where are you heading now?
I'm now returning my home. You?
Yeah, I'm also returning to my home. I think we could go with our bus.
Okay, so let's go.
Okay.
Okay.